Alright, this is our 110 gallon, 120 volt crack sealing unit. They come in 120 volt or 12 volt systems. They start at 110 gallons all the way up to 500. Over here is our pump engagement lever for engaging the material pump. That's our agitating system. Over here is our 120 volt electric material drive engine. Comes forward and reverse to remove material from the hose. Over here we've got the controller for the heated hose system, 120 volt plug-in heated hose system that works very quick. Over here we've got another 120 volt engine to run the agitator. Over here we've got 120 volt plug-in controller for the diesel burner. Comes with or without a heated gun. This one's not heated. Heated hose on a nice 360-degree swing boom. It's got a removable diesel fuel tank. If the machine's ever left on a job, you might want to take your tank with you. Our 120 volt plug-in diesel burner, very efficient, very quiet. That's about it for the unit. And now we're going to try and do a little demonstration for you guys. We're just going to show you inside the agitator here and how we fire up a brand new unit. So there's the inside of the melter. I cut blocks in half. You don't have to do that, but I do it because it's a little bit easier on the melter. Place them in there on the agitator, the half pieces, so that they're sitting nice and flat on the bottom of the tub. This one's an electric agitator. Now they're all sitting there nice and flat, and I fire it up. Right here, right? Next, I'm going to turn the machine on. Alright, so this is our 110 gallon, 120 volt crack sealing unit. We're just going to fire it up right now, so I'm going to walk over and turn the power on and turn the digital controller to the set temperature we want. The power is on. I'm going to move the controller up where I can see what's going on. The ambient temperature is 74 degrees. I'm asking for 156 right now. That should fire the burner up. Here it goes. Just get going in on that. I don't know if you can hear that fire up or not, but that's how easy the diesel burner works. And we're just going to wait for it to heat up and we'll carry on. Alright, so we're 15 minutes later now. It's 11 o'clock. We're just going to check out the temperature. 109 degrees. We're going to see if we can fire up that agitator. I'll open the lid, have a look, see what it looks like. I see a little bit of liquid on the edges, so I'm going to try firing this thing up. I'll walk over, turn the motor on and watch the agitator. Okay, just gonna, it seems to be freed up, but I got to make sure the pump is clear also on this thing. Okay, we checked the pump and you can't see in there, it's too dark, but the pump is free and clear. So I'm going to turn the agitator back on. The earlier we can turn this unit on, the better. Here we go. Alright, so we shut the agitator back off. The pump isn't quite clear. It's very close, but we're going to wait another 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, so it's 10 minutes later. We're just going to check out the temperature again. Now we're at 169 degrees. We'll walk over, we'll look inside the melter. It looks to me like it's ready to go. Yeah, she's bubbling pretty good on the edges and the pump looks nice and clear. I'll turn on the agitator. Yeah, looking inside, the agitator's moving nicely with a little bit of a block on it. It's only about a third full, so that means you can turn it on a little bit earlier. The pump is nice and clear. So now we'll just wait for it to heat up. We'll leave the agitator. All right, so now we're gonna try and fill the machine up just a little bit more to get a little bit more tar in there to make that pump work a little better. So there's one block I put in. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just gonna easily put another one in now. There we go. We just get a little more tar in this thing to, like I said, make that pump work a little bit better. All right, so our material is up to temperature 345 degrees. Now we're gonna turn on the heated hose before we start pumping. 120 volt, very fast. It's at 71 degrees right now. Should take minutes before it's up to 300 or 400. All right, we're gonna start this crack sealing process. Everything's up to temperature. I'll grab hold of the hose. Swing it around. Crack sealing here. I'm gonna now open up the valve and I'm gonna do some crack sealing here. I'm just gonna turn this valve on. There we go. It's on a little bit quick there. Another crack. Very big one here, and that's it. All right, so now we've got an electric reversible motor on here, so we can suck that tar out of the hose. We shut the motor off, reverse the pump, fire it up. Should be good. Now hopefully we're draining out the hose.